Hi guys, welcome here. Alive93 here. Welcome to Vainglory and Minecraft games. I'm going to play Vainglory. By the way, I'm eating, so sorry for the noise. So guys, first it didn't connect. So if this ain't going to connect now. For the second time, we're going to play Minecraft and we'll make this good. We'll try. So guys, it didn't work, so sorry for that. We'll just pause this and try again, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. I just paused it for a while, so we're going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition because my Wi-Fi is going locomotive. I mean, it doesn't work. It's crazy things, so let's go Minecraft. Today I will show you how to build a castle with an open hatch door. Oops. Sorry guys, this is the wrong one. What? Okay, we got a new world, generate random, make it survival, creative. Yeah, maybe I'll turn the cheats and put this place. So I named it my world 2 because I already have 2 worlds. I mean 4 worlds. The 2 worlds has a name my world 1, 2, 3. This is the third one, and the 2 other worlds are great, great 1 and great 2. That's the 3. I hope we get a really good terrain because sometimes we get sand, we get an island terrain. Oh, good, nice. Oh, we're in a desert terrain, so it's fine. Let's see up if there's something. Yep, it's a whole desert terrain. Oops, let's see something. Nothing here, just lava. Okay, let's do. First, to build a door for your castle, you must first find a plain spot. Like, let's see. This can be. This can be. Sure, why not? We'll just need to make something. First, you need bedrock. Bedrock for the. Sorry, I have cough. Bedrock for the doors, and this is a pretty simple one. This is this is a sticky piston, redstone torch, red, redstone, and what do we need else? None. I mean pressure plate. Also need pressure plate. So what we're going to do is let's put that away. First, we need to do a 2 by 3 hole. Dig it two blocks deep like that. Then up the middle here, you must click on the. Kapag ginagawa mo, wala ka may kausap ka. May charger ka ba? So you must put the 2 blocks for there. Then we add on our redstone. Do it like that. Then we move that again and put a redstone torch. Then put any block. I forgot. Let's do. What do you want? What block do you want? Let's put stone bricks. There we go. This stone bricks. Then let's put a redstone. After that, we put that up. Sorry. Up. Put that. Put that. Okay. Then that again. Oops. Sorry. It is the same like that. And the other one too. So we need to do it like this. This. Then that. Then put a redstone. There, then we cover up all of this with stone bricks. Or we could just put any block you want. But I'm making a castle, so you must first. Then we put in the two bedrock, so when they try to enter in the door, they can't because the door will not break. Okay. So let's try this. Okay. Oh, forgot. You cannot take bedrock. Sorry, my fault. Let's let's put. Let's put. What do you? Let's put chisel block of quartz. This could be fun. Okay. There we go, guys. That should be it. Sorry, guys. I like I just told you I have a cup. So that's it. That's for the door. Now we're going to make the castle. You can make it whatever size of castle you want, or it could be an arena. But I'm making it a castle. First, you must cover this up. Anything you want, just cover it up. You're the one who will decide how big it is. So I'm doing this like a square. 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6. So I'm going to make this. Let's see, 20 blocks, including that one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20 blocks. It may be long and that's fine. But then we remove that continue as well. Wait, is that 2 blocks? Yes, that's the same as 2 blocks. Oops, bro. And we'll cover this. Okay. Why? What is happening, guys? There you go. We got our place. Now we cover this also. There you go. Like that. So I don't know how to fast forward this because I'm not really that great myself. So we'll try. We just covered. How many blocks do you want? Just the same. Oh, my teammates. Just cover up. It could be any height. So I'm building this. It could be 7. Height of 7 or 5. I'll do 5 because 7 is pretty tall. Okay, 7. Because we're making an castle. And by the way, this pocket edition Minecraft 17, and I mean 1.00, 1.0.0. By the way, guys, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. There you go. That just looks like it has nothing on it. That just looks like a wall and doesn't have any redstones. When you click that, then there you go. It's just nothing. But when you go here, you go outside, you go here, and you think of why is it so long? When you count from that side. So when you count from that side, when I started counting, when you started counting from this side to that side, it, that would be a lot. That would be 20 blocks. But when you count from starting this side to that other end to the other end, it would be 17 blocks only. If you're inside, okay? So guys, I already taught you the redstone. Now we're going to cover all this thing up. Let's see what block am I going to take. Let's take stone slab. But first, we must... Okay guys, I'm not going to show you what I'm going to do next. So, I will just pause this and do that because you know what will I do? Cover it up with... Cover the whole floor with stone slabs like that. I will not put something on the I don't know. I will just put one block of stone slab up. I will not put something on the on below of that side. There, got it below. I'm really bad at English because I'm a Filipino. Okay guys, I'm going to pause this now and do all of this. Hi guys, I've did 93 continuing here, and I'm just making a decoration for the I'm making a decoration for my floor, and I'm using pistons. It's just easy. All you need to do is... Oh my gosh. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Mm, 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 mm. So we're going to put that just in front of that. Then that's done. We'll put that. I think we can... Oh, that... There you go. It's not fully redstone, it's just a design. So you can create it yourself. Oh gosh, so laggy. Okay, now we're going to build up the ceiling. So it must be 3 more or 4 more. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. No, 5 is tall enough. I'm worrying about the sides. I don't know what to do. I I don't know if I can do that because it's going to take a lot of time again. And I don't want to take a lot of time. I actually have a maze here, but I deleted my Minecraft and started a new one because my phone got the virus, so I need to delete my Minecraft. Yeah. Uh. Up, up. Why is it off? That, sorry. Okay, there you go. Then when you interrupt. I didn't know that you can't move reds. You can't move. I didn't know you can't move bedrock because I'm just a noob at Minecraft. But practice makes you better, and even though I'm like this, I'm not practicing. I'm just chilling, doing whatever I can. Just, and just watching YouTube also. You maybe say that I copy things, but it's just for fun. I'm not actually copying these guys. So on my next video, it will be game. I will play hide and seek on my next video. So please again like and subscribe to my channel. Oh gosh, so long. It's not that so long. I'm already finished. I'm almost finished. And for information, I'm just a grade 7 student here at the Philippines. That's why I'm like this. You may ask me any question and I'll answer it, or you can request for me to do something. I'll go on survival mode and have an episode for my channel. If I'm going to make an episode, it's an episode about me in the ender oh my gosh, the me making an end portal to the end. Delete those two. Next time I'll make you next time I'll make you next time I will make you a video about. Okay, I think I won't make any video for now because I don't know what to do. I'm just thinking about me doing episodes, believe surviving and getting equipment until I get to End City, and when I get to End City, I end port when I find an end portal. I will go inside that end portal, kill the dragon myself. Okay. So guys, I'll just pause for a while.